For the next several classes, I'm going to have you do the following. You're going to go down to your respective class. Maybe it's BC, maybe it's AB. I'll use AB for this example. You're going to go down to AP Review Solo. Solo is just so that I can refer to it as something, so I call it Solo. Here, there are currently 1, 2, 3 questions. There will be more for each class going forward. What I'm going to have you do is look at the 2016 question 1, calculator is permitted. If I click on this link, it will bring me to the 2016 exam. I'll go down to question 1. I'm asking that you complete this question without notes, without assistance, to see how you would do. When you're done completing the question, go back and click on the rubric link. That's the scoring guidelines for the question. If I go down, it gives me a brief description of how everything is scored. At first you might not understand everything that's here, and I'm going to try to provide a couple videos to give you a sense of how these are scored, although we did talk about much of this in class. Score your work to see what you received out of 9 points. I'm going to go back again. Then I'm going to click on Scoring Statistics. The scoring statistics will tell me what the average was for that particular question. For example, question 1 had an average of 3.99. Your goal is to try to beat that average. I would prefer that you didn't look at the statistics until you're done the question, because that tells you whether or not the question was hard or easy, and I don't want you knowing that prior to trying the question. The link at the top here, that'll bring you to the main website for, in this case, AB, and it gives you all the prior questions, 17, 16, 15, so on and so forth. So this is where I'm getting all the questions from. Now be prepared to write down your score, and I don't care if your score is 0 or 9. I would like you to keep track of your scores, and I will be sending out an email for you to fill out a form to let me know where your score was, just to keep you on pace. Finally, as I add more questions, I will add them beneath these, number 4, number 5, number 6, so on and so forth. We'll be doing this for several classes. Now, whether or not it's an A day or B day, I will be assigning these questions at the start of the A day. You have until the end of the B day to complete the questions, score your work, and send me your scores. You will not be graded on how well you did on the practice exams. We're simply checking in for accountability.